Hi Silva, my name is Carlos and I'm going to be your registered nurse today. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. Would it be okay if I ask you a couple of questions about what brings you here today?
Yes,
So what brings you here today?
I'm having shortness of breath.
Before we discuss the shortness of breath, I just have some background questions related to your main concern. Is that all right with you?
Yes,
Do you have any medical illnesses?
I have hypertension.
How long have you been having high blood pressure?
About 3 years now.
Do you take any medication for that?
I take telmisartan
And how often do you take the medication?
every day.
Are you, or how long have you been on that medication?
The same time, more or less 3 years.
Okay. Is your blood pressure well controlled by this medication?
Yes.
Can I ask you what you feel when you have a hypertension?
I don't feel anything.
Okay. Are you taking any other medications?
I take some supplements, vitamin C, vitamin D, and calcium, but I don't take them regularly.
Are these prescribed by your doctor?
No.
Aside from high blood pressure, do you have any other health issues?
None.
Can I ask you if you have had any surgery or any form of operation in
I've
the
had
past?
2 C-sections and I've also had LASIK surgery.
Do you have any allergies?
No allergies.
Do you smoke?
I don't smoke.
How about alcohol? Do you drink alcohol?
I don't drink alcohol regularly. I only drink very occasionally.
Okay, can you describe to me what you
So-
mean by very occasionally?
So I only drink during special occasions, Christmas, birthday, anniversary, and I only have 1 to 2 drinks every time.
How about recreational drugs?
I don't
do you take it?
I don't do recreational drugs.
Okay, so let's go back to your main concern, which is the shortness of breath. When did it start? Do you remember?
About 1 month ago.
And how long did it last?
It probably lasted less than a minute.
How often do you experience shortness of breath?
Well, in the beginning, it was I would only notice it when walking maybe half a kilometer distance.
Do you remember what triggered it?
The walking.
Okay. What? I'm sorry. So, what did you do when you experienced that shortness of breath?
I had to stop walking. I rested for a bit. And then less than a minute later, I felt better. I felt okay. The shortness of breath disappeared.
Okay. And what makes it worse, or what makes it better?
Resting makes it better. And your other question?
What makes it worse?
In the beginning, I guess it was the walking that makes it worse or that triggered it. But short distances, I was okay. But I guess in the beginning, it was the walking maybe 500 to a kilometer distance.
Can you describe to me how does it feel?
It feels like you're drowning.
Mm-hmm.
Right, really, you have to take a deep breath in order to catch your breath, I guess. That's
And okay, go ahead. How intense it is? Is it? I mean,
Because I've never had this problem before, so I guess I felt it very intense. I would say it got me really worried. So,
okay. Let me ask you on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, and how severe is it?
I Are you talking about the first episode?
Yeah.
It was, I guess, very severe. I would say 8 out of 10,
Okay.
or maybe 9 out of 10.
All right. What do you think it means?
I think that I'm having some sort of medical issue that's causing the shortness of breath. I'm thinking maybe I have some heart problem because I also have hypertension. I don't know. That's why I'm here today, to find out what's going on.
Okay. Did your breathing difficulty become worse?
Yes, actually. Since a week ago, I find that it's becoming more frequent, and it's also triggered by other activities, not just walking.
Okay. When you're lying down, is it difficult for you to breathe?
In the beginning, no, but since last week, yes. I cannot sleep lying flat on bed now because I would have difficulty breathing.
Okay. And how many pillows do you
I
use
use
when
2
you
pillows now.
sleep? Okay. Any headache?
No headache,
Do you have a cough?
no cough.
Do you exercise
I
on
don't
a regular
exercise.
basis?
No.
Okay. What about your nutrition? Can you tell me what is your regular diet like?
I usually have rice during my meal, maybe 1 or 2 meals out of the 3 big meals. I have rice. I'm more of a meat lover, although I do eat some vegetables every now and then. So you can say my diet is not really healthy.
Do you seem to tire easily?
Yes.
Did you notice any frequency of urination at night?
Not particularly. No.
Okay. Any swelling in
No
your legs?
swelling.
Have you noticed any change in your skin color?
No.
Now I want to ask about family medical history. Is there anything that you would like to share with me?
My father, who died at 62, he had stroke, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and arthritis, and he probably died from a heart attack, but that was not documented. My mother has hypertension, chronic kidney disease, and kidney stone. My 2 brothers have childhood asthma. I have a paternal grandfather who had a stroke, and my maternal grandmother also had a stroke.
Any cultural or religious beliefs or practices that you would like me to know?
No.
Okay. Our interview is just about over. Is there anything else that you would like to add?
No.
All right. Silva, thank you for your
You're
time.
welcome.